Hello guys, I'm currently in Vegas staying at Vdara. I'm going to do a room tour for you. This is room 29048 and when I checked in I was supposed to just have a regular room. They were kind enough to upgrade me to a city corner suite and it is awesome. So let's check it out. When we first walk in, you've got some art right here, a little table, an outlet in case you want to plug some things in right there. There's a mirror, and pretty much I have a view on 3 sides. So this is the entry hallway, and to open the blinds, okay. Oh, also you have your little button here that says housekeeping or do not disturb. Master switch for the lights off and on. And to raise the blinds, I will show you how we do that momentarily, but as you walk in here, we have a full kitchen. There's sitting table, you can eat dinner. They give you real glasses. The wine I brought. But look at this, a full-size refrigerator, have a sink. There's lots of cabinet space. Now there's nothing in the cabinets, but I think if you ask them, they would provide like some dishes and stuff. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think so. But there's the sink. The one thing, there's not a lot of trash cans. There's like one in the bathroom. So I kind of had to rig my own so I could, I didn't want to have to walk from the kitchen to the bathroom every time to throw something away. I brought my own coffee maker. That is one thing they do not supply here. But there's even a stove top. There's a dishwasher, which tells me that they, probably do at least provide some kind of dishes. And then there's lots of drawers, again, for stuff, but there's really nothing in them. There's also a microwave, so if you bring leftovers home, you can reheat them. This is the dreaded minibar. And I looked at some of the prices on the little app they have, and it's crazy. The refrigerator. I think the refrigerator is pretty empty because I don't have much to put in it. But I think this refrigerator is bigger than what I have at home. And then you also have a freezer with an ice maker, which is awesome because you don't have to go down the hall to get ice. All right, so that is the kitchen. Let's, I've already got there's blackout cheers and then there's curtains, but I will show you the buttons that open. There's a few different buttons like this all through the apartment. And so we will say shade up, and it raises the shades. Same thing for the blackout curtains. Now I did notice this morning, and I'll try to I recorded it this morning, but the blackout curtains aren't that black. When I woke up early, the sun was shining in from that side, and you could definitely see, but hey, that's all right. So if you are one who needs a dark room, you might want to bring a sleep mask. Now another nice thing in this suite is you have a washer and dryer. So if you're here for an extended time, I'm only here for 3 days, so I'm not going to use it. But if you're here for an extended time, that is handy because then you don't have to pack quite as much for your vacation. And then we come into the living area. Again, actually, let me show you the view on this side first. It's kind of bright, so maybe hard to see, but there's Allegiant Stadium. Aria over there, Park MGM. You can see Mandalay Bay and Delano, all the mountains in the background. And then more, again, more shades. I'll show you some of the views from the other side too. But this is the living area. The furniture has seen better days. I think it's been a while since this has been refurbished, but it's still pretty darn nice. You've got a sofa, and that sofa is actually a sofa bed. So we've got a king room, but we've got a sofa beds in case you've got some people that don't necessarily want to share a bed. And then in here you've got one TV if you want to sit and watch. Then you go into the bedroom, and the bedroom, those doors do close. So if if somebody's sleeping and somebody else is still up, you can close the doors. They're not that soundproof, but you get a little bit of privacy at least. And sorry for the mess, I've already kind of lived in. I wanted to try out a few things before I did the tour so I could show you what everything was. There's another TV in the bedroom. And again, these are for the shades and the blackout in here. Let's raise, I think it's this one for in here, yes. And here's the view I have on this side. More mountains. You can see the palms over there. I think those are just apartment buildings. I'm not quite sure. You got a little bit of the freeway. And then there's the bed, and it was quite comfortable. The pillows were comfortable. I enjoyed it. You've got plugs over here on each side of the bed. You also have these nice little reading lamps. And then the bedroom also has its own temperature control. So you've got one in here and one out in the living room. And there's another little chair to sit in and a little desk to work at. And I've got my work stuff set up here. Since I'm here for 10 days, I'm going to need to do a little bit of work. So you've got a nice situation here. Got lots of plugs to plug in. There's even an Ethernet cable for your computer, but they also do have Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi, I tested it, it's very good. And here's my view on this side. You can see the Rio and the palms. And then over here's the Bellagio, and you can see the Bellagio pool. Not very busy right now. It's still kind of in the shade, but I'm not sure if it's actually open yet or not. I know they told me the Vdara pool was open. And well, the Vdara uses the Aria pool, so you can go over there. And it's it's a quick walk over to Aria. You can get to Bellagio from here. You can get to Park MGM. So the Vdara does not have a casino, but it's very easy to get to all the casinos. And then over here, you've got your little app. You can order in-room dining. It shows you the prices of the mini bar. Also have some USB connectors there and some more outlets there. And then from here, the whole thing kind of makes a circle, so you can just keep going around in a circle. You come into the bathroom. You've got 2 sink areas, which is very nice. Mirror. They've got the Vive, I think is how you pronounce it, toiletries everywhere. Lots of extra towels, and then you've got this beautiful soaking tub. It's nice and deep if you enjoy just a nice soaking bath after a long day. Then there's the stand-up shower, which has plenty of room. I tried it this morning. The water pressure's okay. It's not fantastic, but it's good. You've got your toiletries in there, and then a little bench for sitting or, you know, ladies shaving their legs, whatever. And then, of course, the toilet. It's in its own little separate area. It doesn't have a door, but that's all right. And then you also have a little sitting area with a nice mirror, and then the close-up mirror for ladies to sit and do their makeup, hair, whatever, or men, you know, trim their beards, whatever they want to do. There's a little closet here with a few hangers. And then there's another closet here. And you have robes. They're not as nice as the Cosmopolitan robes, I will say, but they are quite comfortable. And then you also get some slippers up there. And there's extra bedding, and that I'm assuming is for the pull-out couch, so you can use that. And then there's your safe. And then you come around and you're back in the kitchen. So this, all in all, is a great room. You have plenty of space. I think it's probably a little bigger than my first house was. But if you're here for an extended time, especially, this would be great because you've got all the amenities you would need. All right. I think that's it. I will just leave you with this gorgeous view. If you have any questions about the property, leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer it. All right. I'll be doing some more room tours, guys, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do that. I'm trying to get to 2,000, and that would help me out a lot. All right, I will be back. Thanks.